What's up, y'all? It's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I will be doing a product review and I will be trying Olaplex number 3 for the first time. Y'all know I'm late to a whole lot of parties, but I have finally arrived and we're gonna get right to this product review. But before I do, please subscribe if you haven't, tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and like the video if you like it. So we're gonna go ahead and address the elephant in the room. I just got through taking my braids down and I was about to go wash my hair, but you know, reading is fundamental. This says to use before shampooing. The directions say to use this 1 time per week. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from your scalp to your ends until your hair is thoroughly saturated, and to leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna use my spray bottle to dampen my hair while applying the product as I go. Now let's get into it. I rinsed the Olaplex out after about 30 minutes, and these are my results. Olaplex number 3 claims to reduce breakage and visibly strengthen your hair, improving its look and feel. After rinsing the product out, my hair felt soft, smooth, and I didn't experience as much breakage as I normally do on wash days. The directions make it clear that this is a treatment, not a conditioner, so I did follow up with my full wash day routine afterwards. Overall, first impression, I really like this bond builder, and I look forward to seeing how well it strengthens and transforms my hair after continued use. So I hope y'all enjoyed this product review and that it was helpful. Leave any questions you have below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.